Hey guys, how's it going? It's Ollie here from CryptoVest.com. Today is the 19th of July and we're going to be looking at IOTA trading against Bitcoin now. Over 4-hour candles in this particular chart. What we can see is, from way back when, we can see that there's been a strong uptrending support line that has been holding up IOTA for pretty much most of this year, and a little bit further back, way back in October here, you can see that it provided early support going through. We had the huge surge just over near Christmas, and it started to come back down again. As we approach towards March, it actually held it off very well there in that strong bear market we experienced, and then again in April, and actually provided it with a foothold to then push up again throughout the course of May. Only very recently has this support actually failed, and you can see that it dropped below this towards the end of June. It hit this lower support at the 382, and bulls tried to push back to take on this line again, but you can see it became a very strong resisting point and has since pushed it back down again. So we're now stuck in this channel between the 0.5 and 0.382 fib level. But as you can see on the RSI, that actually momentum is completely dropping now. So I think since Bitcoin's performance dipped from yesterday, we've seen a big drop in momentum, and so for now IOTA has actually dropped outside of the channel. But because the RSI is oversold, I'm sure there'll be a rebound in price, as we should expect, as traders catch the bounce, and that may give it a chance of getting back into this channel. But failing that, if momentum can continue dropping, looking at these EMA lines, we can see that the blue 50 moving average still is well below the 200 and the 500. If momentum continues to drop, then we're likely to see it push down to this 0.236 Fibonacci support here, which would be a good buy zone. This is the base support, as you can see. It held it off very well at this sort of crossover between the two support areas here in March. So potentially this will be the strong base support. If it does fall from there, then I think the hard bottom for this asset will be somewhere along the 8,152 sat mark below here. Looking at the MACD indicator, you can see that right now momentum is continuing to drop below the signal line. So we could see this drop to this buy zone, and then we'll have to reassess from there. If Bitcoin's performance can pick up, then great, but hopefully it can drive IOTA's price up a little bit more as well and get buyers more interested again in the asset. But for now, guys, head over to CryptoVest.com for the full price targets and the description, and then like and subscribe this video too. Thank you.